Noise is a big issue in image processing. It is mostly the result of errors in the image acquisition process. There are different ways that noise can be introduced into an image. For example, in low light situations, the image sensor of the digital camera can introduce noise to the image. If the image is scanned from a picture made on film, the film grain is a source of noise. To simulate such effects in MATLAB, you can add various types of noise to images with the imNoise function. Here you can see the different noise types which can be generated with the function imNoise. Remember, we heard about different types of noise in previous chapters. Here is an example. This code section loads the image Metro and adds speckle noise. Have a look at the details on the right. The white silhouettes of Sherlock Holmes are no longer visible in the noisy image. Okay, instead of introducing noise to images, it is more important to find out how we can remove noise from images. We can use linear filtering to remove noise. Many filters, such as averaging or Gaussian filters, are appropriate for this purpose. Let us apply a linear filter to reduce image noise. At first, we introduce salt and pepper noise to our image called mouse gray. This type of noise consists of random pixels being set to black or white. These are the extreme values of the data range. In our case, that means black equals 0 and white equals 255. If we try to reduce salt and pepper noise by applying an averaging filter with a 3x3 neighborhood, the result is poor. It is quite disappointing. The image is blurry and the noise is still visible. For that, let's try another approach. The black and white pixels of the salt and pepper noise are the extreme values of the data range. We can handle them as outliers. Median filtering is much less sensitive than mean filtering to outliers. Therefore, median filtering should be better able to remove these outliers without reducing the sharpness of the image. Okay, so let's have a look at two-dimensional median filtering. Median filtering is similar to an averaging filter in that each output pixel is set to an average of the pixel values in the neighborhood of the corresponding input pixel. However, the value of an output pixel is determined by the median of the neighborhood pixels, rather than the mean. Here is an example of calculating the median with a 3x3 neighborhood. The current pixel value is 6. If we sort the 9 pixels from the lowest to the highest number, we get a median value 4. So now we apply median filtering to our noisy mouse using the function matfilt2. Yes, this result is much better. The image is less blurry and most of the salt and pepper pixels are removed. However, compared to the original image, there are still some artifacts. The filtered image is less clear than the original image and there are still some salt and pepper pixels visible.